Why don't seniors ever refuse free moving help? Because they can't resist the chance to show the younger generation how to pack a lifetime into boxes and then take a nap while they do all the heavy lifting. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on free moving help for seniors. Tip 1. Involve family and friends. Seniors can turn to their close family members and friends for help during the moving process. They can assist in packing, heavy lifting, and even setting up their new home. Apart from reducing moving costs, it also provides an emotional platform for expressing any challenges or fears associated with the shift. Tip 2. Seek senior citizen communities. Many senior citizens communities often have programs to assist seniors during moving. Some even offer free moving services for the elderly to help move into their complex. Those involved in these communities can be a great resource to navigate the process. Tip 3. Enlist volunteers. There are various volunteer agencies like churches, charities, youth groups or college organizations which render free services to seniors. By reaching out to such organizations, seniors could get both physical and emotional support during the move. Tip 4. Council on Aging Assistance. Councils on Aging in many communities offer services aimed at helping elderly individuals, some of which may include moving assistance. Seniors should check with their local council to see what resources are available to them. Tip 5. Contact local movers. Some moving companies provide affordable services for seniors, curious if they offer any discounts or free services. They might also know of community resources available to assist seniors in moving. Tip 6. Reach out to non-profit organizations. Non-profit organizations such as the National Association of Senior Move Managers, NASMM, might help senior citizens in their transition. The NASMM provides information, resources and assistance to seniors, making the moving process easier. Tip 7. Use online marketplaces. Websites like Nextdoor, FreeCycle or Craigslist are valuable online platforms where neighbors offer free unwanted items to others in their community. They may also be willing to share moving materials like boxes, bubble wrap and packing peanuts. Tip 8. Hold a garage sale. If seniors are trying to downsize, they can consider holding a garage sale to get rid of any unnecessary belongings. Not only will this make the moving process easier, but it will also allow them to make a bit of extra money. Tip 9. Online tutorials. The internet has a wealth of information. Seniors might find it useful to watch packing and moving tutorials. This can help them pack efficiently and ensure their belongings won't get damaged in the moving process. Tip 10. Reach out to realtors. Local realtors in your area may be able to provide you with information about free moving services or suggest a moving company that offers discounts to seniors. Tip 11. Utilize cardboard boxes from grocery stores. Grocery stores are often willing to give away their used cardboard boxes. Saving on packing material costs can significantly bring down the overall expenditure on the moving process.